beach, them take him out of the water, but we don't want him
but
dead.
we don't want him to die.
Yeah, so I put him back.
That's family down there. Yeah, guys. So if you want to come to this beach, it's in Jamaica, Negril. The ancestors thing, guys. So guys, you know you have to greet the ancestors first. Put it on your head. Like this.
Easy now.
Wow. What? Wow, and then you take a sip. Very refreshing.
Yeah.
Jack Daniels.
And don't, hey, don't leave. Don't forget to cheers to your cousin, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Very good.
So guys, look. This is the eagle. Some apple water ice. Lonely right here. Licking his finger. Oh my god, Popeyes. We got the best Jack Daniels right here. Ooh. And what else?
And then we have the Jamaican rum.
Whoa!
Opportunist
The
state.
Opportunist state.
Wait, camera. It's a video. Take it out.
Check in, people. Today we are going down on the Negril beach, you know, we are the family, you see me? Yeah man, we are going to get some swim and get some chicken and thing and drink some rum and have a good day, you see me? So we want to show you where we go on, man. Over here, so we are traveling DK driver, you see me?
Yeah man, put on the seatbelt, you know, car.
Tour around the back there, my wifey. Yeah man. And Jade around here so too. And the boy around there so. So when you stay tuned, people, we are showing you where we go on, man, you see me? So yes people, we are going through Savlamar town now, you know. You see me? My place look different still, when I like that.
Tree town too much, you know, like KFC and thing them down there, so yeah.
KFC on the side, but we don't go that way there.
Yeah, man.
Go up there, so.
Yeah, man.
Pass up a man in, so.
Yeah, man. And the bus park.
Bus park and all them thing there.
And the best like QQ sports bar.
Yeah man, I say hotspot people.
Yeah, man.
Electricity gone, but it's still there, so. QQ hotspot that over there, so big bar.
Yeah, man, they pass the bus park, that's all.
Bus park over here, so.
No, man, that's all.
Pass here already.
Food for you poor, I give you food over there, so now.
Food for you poor over there, so.
Yeah, man. So we are going.
Bromella house.
Call up us a Hindan.
Press on the end and mall. Manning's High School over here, so now people.
Well, it's a DVD away.
Well, it's a mash up Manning's. What they say school, the people spot either. Sava is still over there, so. Sava up, so. So alright people, no stay tuned. We are showing you some more while we are going down here, see me? Retreat.
Yeah.
So yeah, some people are retreat.
Into Negril.
Heading into Negril very soon. So alright now people, we are in Negril now. Negril Road. I'll tell you places. Texaco gas station over here, so. I say bus park the people. Negril. Police station over here, so. Right? Police station. Negril police station. People want to go over the side and get some Popeyes chicken, you know. See Popeyes over there, so around the way with money them DJ. Nah, like, when we used to drive as if we were work in the days, I never used to like the part of the DJ. So stay tuned, people, we are showing them more. Alright people, Monique just reached against some of my Popeyes. Now check in the Monique.
Check in for the app, you know. Remember guys, we are going on the beach today, go show us some more excitement. Remember to go over YouTube and check out Paradise Lifestyle JA.
Alright.
Remember, give it a like, subscribe, share and subscribe. Big up on yourself.
Come in, black man. Check in the black man.
Eh? Yeah.
Ready for the beach, boss?
What do you mean?
Hey, ready? Come in. Punky, ready? Yeah. Ah, check in. Yeah, man. So yes, people.
On the beach road I go.
We're up on the beach road I go up now. You see it? Yeah, man. Our next car in front of you. Thanks for the express bus, them a long time in this one. So alright people. Look around in the back here. Everybody eat. Alright, baby. Burger King. Tori, where you eat? Burger King. Jayla. On the back here. Yeah, man. We gonna get some Popeyes and burger. You see it, people? Probably I get miserable now. I don't have bottom there, food there. Yes, I. you.
Father.
So, yo, you ready for go to the beach now? You ready, Tori?
Yeah.
You ready, mommy?
Yeah.
You ready, Jada?
Yeah. Where's the
Bobby, you ready for the beach?
I think so.
So yes, my people, wanna go and stay tuned, man. We have a lot for sure now. I go on. Long Bay Beach, look on the sign, people, see it there. Over here, some used to do my lifeguard training, you know, people. Yeah, man, over here, so them do the lifeguard. CPR and everything there, you see me?
beach?
Yeah, beach. Yes, you can go for free now. Yes, you know, yeah. Yes, sir. Normally we go to beach or so. But further out. So my man has stopped, you see? You know, man, that's how I say yes, sir. So yes, people, we reach on the beach, you know, so I don't know a thing now. Go and stay tuned. When we come out of the car and thing, we show you what I go on, you see me? You know. Someone eat.
Mash.
Oh yeah, eat ya.
Popeyes. Bread, some mash, tenders, and a piece of chicken.
Yeah, man. Come to where I eat it.
Single chicken.
Oh,
Popeyes sandwich. Oh my god.
Same here, mash.
mashed potato. It's a big boss, so you going with now?
Alright. Some chicken and everything in there. Bread too.
What do you mean? That bird we are bound to do with bread too. The boss have feed on him puppy over here, so you know, all about Popeyes.
I'm involved.
I mean,
Hey, take out here.
so yes, people. You can't see them, man. Beach is good there. Alright, eat your Popeyes. Yeah, eat your Popeyes.
Daddy, what is this? What is this, Daddy?
What?
This.
I can see. It's just a piece of steak or something.
Mommy, what
Stay
is
over there soon. Yo, boss. You gonna eat already? Yeah, we gotta get some Korean people, but you know, nah, stop we man. Nice and pretty down here. Sorry. Yes, sir. So you're not shooting at them, are you? So yeah, the line up back?
Yeah.
Go on, have a lick down to them, man. So yes, people, we just have a family time up on the beach. I eat, everybody eat and drink and things, you see me?
Ranim.
Water nice and clean and pretty. We go and stay tuned, people. We don't know anything though. We have a lot more to show. Are you okay?
See? Ranim found the starfish.
So guys, look. This is the igloo. Some apple water ice. Tony right here.
And then we have
Licking
this.
his finger. Oh my god, Popeyes.
And then we have it.
We got the best Jack Daniels right here. Ooh. And what else?
And then we have the Jamaican rum.
Whoa!
Opportunist
The
state.
Opportunist state, aka signature. Oh my god, and we have the Pepsi and the boom and it. Why a nitro?
Bomanek.
And then she hide the chicken kind of want, you know, when we get them out.
Look at her mouth, guys. Look, look, look. She's a big back.
Yeah, big back. Rosalie.
Oh my god, one Rosalie on the app.
What you say? But
We got DK right here, the chicken he can't talk.
He's just
Oh my god.
yeah.
What?
What
He needs some soda. What kind of soda? We have short.
Look at Justin right here, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. This is the dog. Hey, Prince. Prince.
buy some
Hey
soda.
Prince, say hi to the camera.
Yeah, man.
What you gotta say for the camera, Donny?
Me have the last chicken out of 4 piece. Me have the last piece left.
Orange or red?
He's a big back. Don't watch the body, guys. But he's a big back for real.
Look on it.
Yeah, look at it, look at it. Oh my god.
That come. Take to my sea and show them, you know.
Show them the kids, the man.
So guys, I'm gonna take a tour and show you. These are the family here having fun with the kids, you know. Yeah.
Mommy, what did this piece one do? I don't know.
Say hi to the camera, guys.
Hi! Hi!
Bobby, say hi. Puppy. Look at the water, guys. This is Jamaica. We're in Negril. The water is so beautiful. As you can see, this is me behind the camera. Yeah. Say hi, Poppy. Look at this, guys. He's gonna save a starfish right now. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me catch it on camera for you guys. Look at it.
The kids them take him out of the water, but we don't want him
but we
dead,
don't
people.
want him to die.
Yeah, so I put him back.
Bye bye, starfish. Now what? We don't do. Come with the fish. Oh my god, guys, I'm scared of the sea urchin. Oh my god. Hello. As you can see, look how beautiful the place is. It's very beautiful. Yeah, that's my mom right there. That's the family down there. Yeah, guys. So if you want to come to this beach, it's in Jamaica, Negril. It's called the Long Bay Beach. Yeah. These are the guys right here.
Right now,
eating and chilling. Yeah, look at it. Oh my god, he's getting there, guys. He's getting there. I'm gonna show you it later.
I rum no one now. Get the rum.
Look at it, guys. Now we get into the rum. That's where the fun starts, right, Monique?
Yeah.
So she's doing the ice as a bar tough, not a bartender. Pop the bottle now. Best set of Jack Daniels. It's a whiskey, guys. Look at it. Oh my god. Watch the pour, watch the pour. Ooh. These are the hot ones. These are the hot ones.
Then we're going to trace it out with some Pepsi.
Pepsi. Just like that. Prince, what you gotta say?
Hi, Prince. What? You finished eating?
Oh guys, DK clean his plate. And he needs some more right now. Let me go and fix him another plate, guys.
Yeah.
Cheers, Monique. Get you funny cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh.
Long life and prosperity.
That is so nice.
Years to Monique.
Right, but she didn't pour any for me.
I didn't know you're ready. You ready? You just
Of
gotta
course,
say
I'm the
word.
camera lady.
You just gotta say the word.
Which one is that?
Jack Daniels.
Beautiful.
Give them a review on the Jet Dance. Come in the light. Give them your review.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like me.
That's what you say in Jamaica when something is sweet and nice and everything in one. You say yeah.
Yeah, we need 6 more.
Yeah, man.
And let me tell you the rest I
So guys, you know you have to greet the ancestors first. Put it on your head. You go like this.
Easy now.
Wow.
What?
Wow. And then you take a sip.
What?
Very refreshing.
Yeah.
Jack Daniels.
And don't leave. Don't forget to cheers to your cousin, girl.
Cheers, bro.
Very good. Monique. Always active enough people.
You know, guys, you know, later on I go great because we have some crab, land crab, we go curry down.
What?
You guys, I go see what I go on later on, mad things.
Hey guys, you're gonna see her when she took the shots them, okay? You're gonna see her later on.
Yes, people. No one better in Jamaica, I believe. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'll catamaran out there, so the people. Nancy and his son out there, so I dance. Easy, no, man. Tori, what you gotta say to the camera, girl?
Hi guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and also share.
Okay.
Guys, that's a beautiful beach.
Yeah?
Got a lot of things to do and we love to support you guys.
Yeah, man. So
Have a great business, have a good day.
Yeah.
Bye guys. Peace.
So guys, look at this. We found a clam, but there wasn't any pearl in it, guys. Oh my god. See that?
you see that, people?
Yes, guys, it's a clam.
Mad thing. So yes, people, as you can see, sun come out back hot and nice, you know. Yeah, man. There's a dark people. You can see far out some people. Far out there you can see the two catamaran and thing. So yo, I don't know, I'm gonna go get you a drink. Bobby, having a good time, buddy? Sorry people, just stay tuned, man. I'll show you what I'm going further down. So yo, Punky, you're not going to the water? So you come to the beach, you're not going to the water? Can't be say you come to the beach, my youth, you're not going to the water, bro.
I might take a dip, but nah swim. You black man. What up the color? Bobby!
I'm saying I want to get too dark in the salt and the sun at the same time, people. Kids them have a lot of fun, people, as I can see, man. It's a good vibes, man. Dog down there have fun too, you see? It's a good look, people, man. Trust me, look. Got that up there. Come, Prince. That's a little boy and the dog and they play people. Why Jamaica nice, you know, man?
Jamaica, guys, oh my god, one thing with Jamaica, the sun is so hot. The sun is so hot.
Yeah,
oh my
man.
god, in this time you need to go to the river.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, my people say, Punky, I say that kind of love the river more than beach, you know. People know him a long time, I know Punky, you know. Punky and my cousin.
Guys, we that chose river over beach. Any day. People when I used to beach, I go work at beach. But river, when they used to river or not, oh my god, river any day.
I not like people, I love the river more too, you know, but you know why? Because we used to the beach too much. We remember say which part we live beside the sea, you know, people. You see me I say? So I know side that side Punky I say that, man. She just prefer the river, because you know the river is more like cool and now it's salt, you know what I mean? And true we used to eat salt every day, so sometimes we just prefer to get the fresh water than the salt water sometimes, you know? Yeah, man.
Hi, babes.
Monique, active set speed.
Hi, Daddy.
Bobby!
I'm swimming.
Bobby! Float, Bobby, float. Swear Punky over here, right. One second here. So yes, people, as you can see, Jamaica, one love.
Out of many one people, guys. You know
Right,
that.
bye.
Right, bye. Janelle,
Janelle.
aka Punky.
Punky. Watch out now, this man a run for the dog, I run him down. Come, Prince.
Come, no matter gonna work.
Prince, I got to take a swim to them, man, watch.
No, don't put him in there. That's not that hard.
Catch where I run come. Yo, up up. Punky, yes, I better have a swim, so yes, I turn look. You can see everything there, so. You probably have a little grass and something with juke or something, you know. Yo, baby girl, you ready to go swim off? Ready to go swim now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take a dive for the camera.
Back one?
Yeah.
Bobby.
People, don't forget to like and share the video, you know, people. You don't know where you go. And subscribe to man. You get scared, buddy?
Look at the kids, guys. Yeah, that's one Prince done. Tori Bam, Papi, Ranim. That's Tony right there, guys, and his handsome son. That's Nana in the water. She's floating, guys. Guys, I don't know. You can zoom? You can zoom? Guys, I don't know if you can see the boats out there. Yeah, the boats, guys. And that's the island right over there, guys. Yeah. Prince! Oh my god, Prince! Oh my god, you wet yourself! You at yourself, Prince. Oh my God. Oh God. You guys, now he's hideous. Oh my God.
Left him, boy. Left him, make him do it.
Leave him, puppy, my dry off. That's the fisher lady, guys.
Yes,
You didn't
guys.
catch any fish.
We got 2 cock and 3 snappers, guys. 3 big snappers.
So over there, you know, show
Like
them to
this.
the camera.
No, they got them a cook now.
Oh, guys, she put the fish in the pot already. Yeah.
That little fish,
So- No. Look at, this is the Jamaican style, you know that, guys. Yeah, look at Prince running, guys. Oh my God. Bobby! Hey, Bobby! Hey! Bobby, Bobby, Bobby! I'm gonna walk him. Come on.
What I do?
Bobby no want to come. Look at the sun, guys. Oh my God, the sun is so hot. The sun is so hot.
Black man, come show me fish them, come.
Look at it, guys. You can see that the sun is pitching right here on my big forehead. Look at it. Very shine right now. Okay, guys, look. What the fisherman caught. 3 big snappers.
Jesus
It's
Christ.
just the camera. The camera does make them look small, guys, honestly.
I saw the tiki tiki people. That man shoot 3 little tiki tiki people and 3 kitty kitty man shoot. That man a baby them there.
Oh my God.
You could sprat them down.
Bobby, you want to go back in the water? Hey, Bobby.
You're gonna bring them in the
Hey,
water?
Bobby, you want to go back in the water? Tell the camera one of the drink.
Daniel and Nitro.
We drink again.
Jack
Daniel, Pepsi, Estate, everything we drink.
And I really Jack that in a Jack Chanel.
Jack Chanel.
It's Jack Chanel for the men and Jack Daniels for the ladies, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you know Jamaicans, they're very funny. That's what they do. And they think it's funny. It's not funny. Look at the 2 sisters out there. Look at them. All they do is gossip. Gossip, gossip, gossip. What you guys gotta say for the cam? Come no further. What? Yes, yes, guys, the bleachers, which is me. Yes, I'm the bleacher. I cannot get burned. Where's the fisherman? Yes, watch the guys. This is the Jamaican fish gun. Let me get a closer look for you guys. It's a spear gun, right? Look at it. It's a spear gun, guys. You see it? Yeah. So you set the lasket like this. You pull it back and set it, and you press here and it fires. Catch anything you wanna eat. Tell them fisherman, that's his goggles and his O's he breathe through.
Cheers, guys.
Yes, people, pure fun we have. Pure fun, pure fun. Nice and sunny. Water crystal clear today. People don't make in chicken and natural browning, you know, like I tell you, you know, bleach. Don't make in chicken, no. Natural browning. So yo, cheers to all who watch the video. Is it?
Prince,
Yeah, man.
come. Come, Prince. Come. Come.
Go on, Prince. Prince, just take a swim off. Black man, you know, go so shoot a big fish over here, I'll jump. I'll be a little sprat here, shoot dog. Yo, right now, I'm going to swim with you video. Where is it? You have no more? Guys, they have turned over the banana boat. Yo, father. They have turned over, guys. They have turned over the banana boat. Whole team there. Banana boat turnover, guys. Let's see if they can go make it. Alright guys, we have 46%. Right now we can stream all day. Alright, see, lifeguard on duty. Lifeguard on duty. Jada. Yeah, quality body, no?
Stop video.
Boy, guys, come. Boy.
Daddy, stop video. Bobby.
Say hi, Bobby.
What you going to get?
Hi. Hi.
Yeah, video.
You want to come, Jada? Bobby want to come at you? You want to come? Watch out.
Say hi to camera, Jada.
Hey, guys.
Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Hi, guys. We're having a drink. You know, later on is gonna be greater, more fun coming up. Hey, Baba. Yeah. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Go on. Yeah, it is nice. Hola. Bobby.
Jada, finish with this soda. Jada, you want to come and laugh now?
Donnie, is camera waterproof? Oh. Waterproof? Yeah. Ami.
Alright. Take time. Guys, I'm sure I'm going to
like and subscribe, okay guys? Say hi to the camera. No, Emma. Come. It's a video, it's a video. Where camera? It's a video. Take it out. I can get out now.
Okay, get out.
Wait, no, it's too hard. The thing is too hard. Ow!
Take time, papi. Take time. Take time, Blacky man. You put them on. Lift now, lift.
My turn, my turn, my turn. My turn, come. My turn. I will sorry.
Run in the mall, girl, so you can go in there.
Yeah, they go. You still have video. Ben up, because it's still have.
Go on, no, sit down.
Hey, you go.
Yo, you put them line over there. Punky, look here. Punky, look here. Almighty God, how are you getting off the front?
You go there, remember me, myself. Touch out the foot, touch out the foot.
Teach out, you know. Who are moving? Can't scratch up.
You have all the sand on this Blacky.
Put some of this.
Machine gun!
Man, not. What's that?
Put on your hand.
Put some on my hand.
You can't shush.
Oh, man!
No, you have sand on this. No sand up here, so. You can't shush. Stretch out the finger, Dame. Stretch out.
This one. No more body. Lean it. Alright, now leave my legs. Ah, you feel so good.
The vitamins enjoy it though.
Jam down with.
Nice sun.
Alright, no. Come, we got to play a start game after nothing more. No, go check. Come on.
Oh, God.
Look here. Alright, we have to play a shot game.
One earthquake. Then put on a normal super. My toes! Yay!
Get out.
Ah!
You want me to take you?
Ow, stop!
Right here, puppy. Look on foot.
Come on, let's go to a shot game. And let me again. Where we go? Can you bury me back in here?
It's already buried. It's gonna take a while.
Can you bury me?
What shorty? Coming out?
Daddy, there's a fight.
We don't miss nothing. We're drinking and having fun.
Guys, I have something to show you. Come this way with me. So you know in Jamaica, you know the song that Bubbles sing about the pretty really. Look at it right here, guys.
What the hell is this?
Right here, guys.
Browning, where you show them Browning? Go show them Browning.
Let me show you guys.
Make it Browning show him and show.
Look guys, you can turn back way, you can sit on it, everything. Red stripe. What is that? Corny and ML. I don't know what that means, but you see it guys.
What is this, man?
Look at it guys.
You know what they call that in Jamaica?
A black bee.
No, that's a big black wood. Big black bamboo.
Hey, y'all, we have to cut that shit out.
Big black bamboo.
Yeah?
They said there's a next one up there with tree, all different sizes.
Martin.
Buddy.
It's a fish bag.
Lay down. Papi, bust a dance back your coach here. Go on, man. Stand up, yo, come dance with here. Come, my boss, yeah. Ready, Papi, come, man.
Stand up.
Yo, come out there, water, come dance with the people, them see the man. Come in, Papi. Yo, boss man, come dance. Man, just go and dance so we not care about a beach next time, you know. Yeah. Come in, my boss. Yeah. A little bit more, come, a little bit more. How we care about a beach next time, come. Yo, we are going river, you're not coming on, we are left you. We are river, come up close, man. Come, hey, people, the people say they want to see more, come up. Yeah. Come up more. Come up more, man, let's see you. Why no?
Yeah.
Yes, people, all the kids them have fun in it, that's it. Yeah, man. Come and see the sunset in Negril. Tori, having fun?
Yeah, guys.
So yes, people. Yes, so we have to cut off the video here. See me as some people I don't know things yet, man. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe me viewers. You see me? Yeah, man, just like your video, share your video and subscribe to the channel. Just go and support you and make it grow. You see me as some people bless upon yourself every time, man. See you on the next video.